Hi friends, today we will learn how to make folder in Windows 11. So for that what we have to do? Simply we have to just select the place where we want to create a folder and just right click it. After right clicking we will see new here. Then we will hover the new or we will select the new. Then that folder option will come. We will just click to the folder option. See here new folder came. By default its folder name is new folder, but what I just want to store all the movies, my movies here, so I will just rename movies like that. I give the name, but like so here I can copy paste all my movies here. But like for example I don't want to copy my movies here, I want to copy something else, for example my program. So for that I want to change this name, folder name. So for that what we will do, just select this folder and just right click it. After that if other window is there, so you will get rename option here itself, but it's a window 11. So what you have to do, you have to click that show more option, then here all your option will come what was not there. So here if you will search and rename, you will see rename option. So what you have to do, just select rename option, and now you can see, you can edit your folder name. So here I want to copy all my Python program, so I will just give here this folder name Python. Now my folder name is changed. So this is the long method. It's a shortcut is also there, like we have shortcut key to rename the folder. What you have to do, just select the folder and click F2, function key F2, and now you can edit your folder name. Yeah, if you want to delete folder, you can select and delete it with the shortcut key, or just you can right click it and you can select this option or delete, and you can delete this folder like that. So yeah.